Hello team, how are you guys doing today? I hope you guys having a good weekend so far. Well look you guys, I wanted to make a quick video on StockMaster. StockMaster just recently went through an update and came up with some few different things to make things a little bit more better for us, to be able to analyze things a little bit better for us. Basically to make things more convenient for us to be able to take profit more consistently and be able to be more successful at trading. Okay, so look, as you guys could see before we get started, talking about the app against StockMaster, and it's only available on iOS, basically Apple product. So if you're not an iOS, another good platform is Thinkorswim Toss. That's a very good platform, but I think StockMaster on iOS, Apple is way better. But that's just my opinion, okay? If it doesn't benefit you, you can stop watching this video for right now. But anyways, again, so I went through an update, you guys, okay? And this update is pretty cool because now it gives you signals on how are people buying, how are people selling, if it's neutral, gives you more information about cryptocurrencies, gives you more information about ETFs. ETFs, a lot of people like to trade those. Okay, and some information over the counter, OTCs. Okay, so before we get into that, again, you guys make sure you guys subscribe to this channel, Trade with Fidel, so you can get a lot of information. I like to, give back to the community. Besides that, make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys join the Discord app, because in the Discord app, I'll be able to give a lot of information, my watch list, what I'm watching that day, and I'll be able to give you information as it's going up, as it's trending, something else pop. I'll let you guys know, what I feel, what I think about it. And it's a good way for you guys to reach out on me too, to reach out to me and be able to ask me for advice or any questions, and I'll be able to guide you through a trade to make sure you try to be successful as you can with that position. Alright team, so make sure Discord app on Facebook, and if you want to follow me on Instagram, that'd be great as well. Alright team, so let's get started again with the StockMaster app, okay? So as you can see, the StockMaster app looks like this, team. Alright? And when you open it, this is what it tells you right here. It gives you this information right here, okay? Oh, and one advertisement always comes on at first. At least it's one advertisement. Alright, after that, no more advertisement for the rest of the day, which is pretty cool because you don't want to get no advertisements, okay? So as you can see, when you open it, it looks like this. It basically gives you the market overview, and you could click on that and it lets you know how the market is reacting right now. The market in general, the Dow Jones, the SP 500, the NASDAQ, the New York Stock Exchange, and so on. Okay, again, my watch list, as you can see right here. Okay, more information of stock features, currencies, commodities, cryptocurrencies, which big fan of cryptocurrencies, okay, especially when it's about to hit Robinhood here real soon. It's gonna be amazing. Market news, okay. Give me a second. Stock alerts. You always want to set some alerts. All right, and give me a second. Where is it at? As you can see right here too, ETFs, okay, which is something new. All right. Now let's go to look at a stock, you guys. Let's see, for example, one that performed real well yesterday, INNT. As you can see, this one right here. As you can see how it gives you the signals. You see how it's giving you the signals right here, right in the middle where it says overlays, indicators, candlesticks, and it tells you it has strong sell because it was selling. As you can see at the chart, it was dropping. You see that? Indicators telling you there's neutral, okay? And buying, the candle selling telling you to buy, that there's a good opportunity to buy because it's low right now, as you can see, because it was dropping. Okay, so if you click on it, as you can see right here, click on it, and it will tell you basically, again, the chart will tell you the price, how much percentage gain it has gone through that day. Then down here, as you can see where it says the strong sell, that's the one we're looking at, the overlays. I'll give you the SMA, I'll give you the EMA, and we'll give you all the indicators that are according to that. And as you can see, look, they're all selling right now. They're all selling. So basically, this is coming down, as you can see, okay? Now let's go up to the indicators. You see how up here in the middle on the indicators there's neutral. So right here as neutral, as you can see, you go to it, and it'll say, look, it will say 2 buying signals and 3 selling signals. Again, so who's overcoming them? The bears, all right, over the bulls. Now let's go to the candlesticks. The candlesticks, as you can see, it says doji, and it tells you it's a buy. And the reason why it tells you a buy, because as you can see at the chart right here, at like around 950, 975. As you can see, that's a lower point right there. That's a very good support. So that's where the candlestick, the doji right there, is telling you to buy, because it could be a good sign from right there. It's gonna start trending up. Who knows? But if you know how to read a chart, you'll be able to make sense of it. And that's what I see at the MAC signal myself too. I can see that it came down below the diversion and is working its way up towards towards the diversion, and hopefully break the diversion as well and keep it moving. So you see what I'm saying? So that's a pretty cool indicator. Basically telling you, like, for example, you could say not really, but you could say like a level 2 indicator. You know, it tells you when people are selling. It tells you if it's a strong sell, or if it tells you if people are buying. It tells you if it's a really strong buy, which is good, or it tells you the indicators, the candlesticks, and it gives you all this combined information, those 3 indicators on how they're acting, and they're mixed up together, and basically lets you know how the people are acting towards it. Are they buying it? Are they holding it? Or are they selling it? So it's a pretty cool feature, you guys. Again, it's on StockMaster. If you guys do have access to a tablet or to your iPhone, it's a very good application to have, especially if you're serious about trading the stock market, because it has pretty cool features, you guys. As you can see, I go back to INNT, and I could go to overview. I could go to summary. There's nothing there at the moment. The news, you see that if you want to find out information why the company is acting the way it did, you know, going supernova, okay? Financial status, alerts. You see that you always want to have an alert, especially when you're trying to keep track of the company. You can go in there and set up an alert to go above or go below the price, all right? And it will notify you in a matter of seconds, okay? Options. Discussion, as you can see, all the people here that are talking about the stock, and sometimes it's good to get endpoints of other traders talking about it, and sometimes you'll be able to find, you know, information, links that are telling you information about the stock, you know, more eyes, more minds on the stock. You see what I'm saying? Which is good. And right here, the last but not least, notes. You can make a note, you know, make sure you watch this on Tuesday, or make sure you watch this on Monday, so on. So it's a pretty cool features that StockMaster came up with, you guys. It's pretty cool. Okay, as you can see, here's the charts. You see the charts are pretty nice, and they're very simple to understand. You just have to know how to read a chart. Okay, so I just want to make a quick update on that, you guys, and I hope you guys download the app. I hope you guys enjoy the app. And make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, and make sure you guys join the Discord app. All right, trader. Let's become successful. Have a good day. Bye bye.